The 2026 Peace Van's classic camper brings timeless Volkswagen-inspired camper styling together with modern engineering and comfort. Designed for travelers who appreciate vintage aesthetics without sacrificing reliability, this camper offers a balanced combination of nostalgia, practicality, and everyday usability. Whether you're planning weekend adventures or extended road trips, it delivers a unique travel experience. The exterior retains the iconic look that Peace Vans is known for, featuring retro-inspired design cues, clean body lines, attractive paint options, and premium finishes. Every detail is carefully crafted to preserve the classic camper spirit while incorporating modern materials that improve durability and weather resistance. Inside, the cabin feels warm and inviting with high-quality wood cabinetry, comfortable seating, and thoughtfully arranged living space. The interior is designed to maximize functionality while maintaining a cozy atmosphere, making it an enjoyable place to relax after a day of exploring. The camper features a flexible sleeping arrangement that comfortably accommodates 2 to 4 people, depending on the chosen configuration. The folding bed system is easy to operate, while supportive mattresses ensure restful nights whether parked at a campsite or off the beaten path. The compact kitchen includes everything needed for preparing meals on the road. It typically features a refrigerator, sink, portable or built-in cooktop, storage drawers, and durable countertops. Smart organization makes cooking convenient even within the limited space. Modern technology enhances the overall experience with touchscreen controls, USB charging ports, LED lighting, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional solar power integration. These features provide the convenience expected from a modern camper while preserving its classic charm. Power comes from a dependable modern drivetrain that delivers smooth acceleration, efficient fuel economy, and confident highway performance. The updated suspension and refined steering make long-distance driving comfortable, while compact dimensions allow for easy maneuvering in cities and scenic routes. Safety receives significant attention with advanced driver assistance technologies such as blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, a backup camera, lane keeping assistance, and multiple airbags. These features provide added confidence for both experienced and first-time camper owners. Storage has been intelligently designed throughout the camper, including overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, under-seat storage, and dedicated spaces for camping equipment. This thoughtful layout helps travelers stay organized during longer adventures. Comfort is enhanced with efficient climate control, insulated walls, quality ventilation, and optional heating systems for year-round travel. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior while providing excellent views of the surrounding landscape. The 2026 Peace Van's classic camper is also designed with sustainability in mind. Optional solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and eco-friendly materials reduce environmental impact while supporting extended off-grid camping experiences. Customization remains one of the camper's biggest strengths. Buyers can choose from various interior finishes, upholstery colors, roof options, wheel designs, electrical upgrades, and camping accessories to create a camper that suits their travel style and personal preferences. On the road, the camper provides a relaxing driving experience with excellent visibility, quiet cabin insulation, and comfortable seating. Whether navigating mountain roads, coastal highways, or urban streets, it remains easy to drive and enjoyable over long distances. Maintenance and long-term ownership are simplified through the use of reliable components, quality craftsmanship, and a strong focus on durability. Peace Vans continues its reputation for building campers that combine classic character with dependable modern performance. Overall, the 2026 Peace Vans classic camper successfully blends vintage style with today's comfort, technology, and safety. It is an excellent choice for travelers seeking an iconic camper that offers reliable performance, practical living space, and memorable adventures wherever the road leads.